When a small child starts saxophone, their hands can struggle to reach around bulky palm keys. But those palm keys aren't played in the first year of study. Use the Roulon Palm Key Removal Kit to safely remove saxophone palm keys so small hands can start making big sounds. This makes any alto sax easier to hold and play while your student grows. The patent-pending system includes tone hole covers to seal the holes from removed palm keys, easy-to-use instructions, safe storage for removed keys, complimentary saxophone lesson videos, fingering charts for note learning, printable sheet music, and all the tools you need to give your young sax player a great start. The Roulon Palm Key Removal Kit was invented by acclaimed sax player and teacher Roulon Brown. Help your child grab hold of saxophone adventure with the Roulon Palm Key Removal Kit. From Keeley.